What's going on, everybody? It's your man Overtime out here at the bow shop. And today, we're going to get another one of those products. The 3 things I introduced you to in the short. Get on the bow today. So, today is going to be the rest. So, I'm going to go ahead and get the Vaportrail GI8X. Boom, boom, boom. Get it set up, installed on this bow. What that means is it's going to lock straight to the bow. There's no more screw on the side. No more little extra weight to the right. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and take the bow off the press, move it over here, put it on the vise, and get this thing installed. Alright guys, we'll see you on the other side. Alright, so right here we got the GI8X. Little yellow. I want to show you how you got the grooves on the bow, and it's just mount integrated to it. And see what all we got. So of course we got our arrow rest, like an arrow holder, little string tie thing, the extra string here. They come in every Vaportrail pack. We have the rest itself. See, so as you notice, it doesn't have that rod that usually sticks off here where you put an Allen screw in and tighten it to the bow, and you got to do the little set screw to make sure it doesn't adjust. We just have this here, so we loosen up this screw here, and we tighten it down to the integrated part of the bow. Right now, we go ahead and head over to the bow press and show you how we're gonna mount this one on. Alright, you see right here, this is the rest. Here we got this whole little thing to hang down. I got the screw, and you got the 2 set screws in here to make sure it doesn't adjust anymore. So, just go ahead and pop this off first, so I can show you where the integrated part is on the bow. As you see right here, it's a little groove area. This is where the rest will clamp. And what that's going to do is, so with the previous one, the rest was probably about that far from the bow, the riser, and the rest. So that much space. Now with the integrated one, it's going to go flushly mounted to this. So we go ahead and get that mounted on there now. So we got that mounted on there. Now we gotta go ahead and do my rust adjustments. Arrow level. And then got string level. So I just took the Handsy, sticking the gin out again. That's like that so well. I can make sure it's completely upright and tip right forward. So you see right here on the front, it's only slightly off. So we just gotta make one little minute adjustment. Screw on the other side. We're gonna adjust. Just gotta raise it up just a little bit. Got this here. Yeah, now I got that bubble in the middle there. That arrow is kicking a little bit to the right, so I gotta move the rest out that way. I'm trying to adjust this until I get it out and it lines up with the string for me. I think for the naked eye, straight eye, that's good. Like I said, the only way to make sure is to go ahead and get it paper tuned. So we go ahead and do that here now. Alright, so before we paper tune, we just go ahead and attach the string. It actually comes with another piece on the side. You can mount this one here and attach it down low. But since this is in the way, we can't use that one. So we use the one that goes to the bottom, or to the top, excuse me. Alright. Now it's time to get on over here and start paper tuning. Alright, so we got the rest on. Everything is set up. Got these new Black Eagle arrows that we're going to try out. See how they do. So that combination of it, the knock is going up here, and it's tearing left. So we got to go look at the sheet and see what we got to do here. Alright, so there you have it, ladies and gents, the GI8X integrated, mounted, ready to go. As always, Vaportrail's always just been super simple to tune. It's just 2 key, or I like key here, I like key here. This one here, you use a little screw, this thumb screw. Over here, you get a small Allen key to go to the left and right. Yeah, we got it done. Assembly, quite easy. One thing I didn't realize till later while adjusting, I kept trying to go up and down when tuning here. But one thing you can do also is to integrate it, you just undo this screw right here, the one inside, and slide it up and down to adjust it where it needs to be. Now that I got it, tomorrow, go out, shoot, make sure my sight and everything is good, make sure the arrows ain't looking wonky, and then after that, I'll take a permanent marker or something, mark where it should be, take this off, put some glue in the screws, so when I'm on my e-bike or I'm in the truck, whatever I'm doing in the vibration, those screws don't wiggle loose. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys as always for tuning in. Thank you guys who have been subscribing. Thank you guys for leaving comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you're doing. It all helps. We're gonna sign as always. Love, peace, Afro grease. Peace.